What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So I've gone down the rabbit hole of modern clothing on Kakashi mostly. Looks cool. So I did one recently and I liked it. Well, it was fun drawing it. You seem to like it as well. So let's try and draw another one. Kind of more close up on his head. Landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So he's like head down, looking real cool, right? So I'm going to draw the headband first, I think. So we'll go a curve, right? Kind of goes down this way and around. Kind of disappears around the back of his hair, sort of here. So it's a swoop down this way, right? So this side is higher than this side. As the hair sort of comes down across, right? So we can see a sort of a sideburn just here. Like his hair. His hair is kind of different to standard Naruto. So a little spike here. And the eye is just beside. So, and he's looking up from underneath the headband, right? So it goes like this way for the top eyelid. And then it spikes in. And then we go around the bottom of his eye. And then a spiky sort of front. Just there. They do an extra little sort of line around here, actually. So his eyes are red in this as well. There's no Sharingan. So if you want to do a Sharingan, you can. Or you could just do, they're kind of just red. So he's kind of looking up, right? So curve line down from underneath the headband. And then this sort of small pupil just there. So his other eye is barely visible. So you can't see the pupil on the other eye. And his hair kind of cuts off. So we can see it looks like the bridge of his nose sort of here. And then the bottom of his eye comes around. Kind of just up into there. And then just the red of his iris just in there. But again, you can't see his pupil on this side because the headband is covering most of it. So face shape, so coming from the sideburn kind of just down here, right? We get his jaw. Down there. And then it just comes across, kind of square, and then goes back up for his cheek. Curving around his cheek here. And then up underneath his hair on that side. So then that mask that comes across his face, so it like curves underneath his eye, comes over his nose, and then comes back around the back of his head here. So a covered face. So he's got a big ear. Sort of headband starts to cover around, then the ear kind of sticks out here, I'd say. Comes down just beside his jaw here. And then we have some ear lines inside. Like so. So then the headband keeps going. His hair comes out from it, but it kind of makes the headband line as well. So like his hair super long, so coming down like past his eyes in some cases down here, right? So you get sort of the standard sort of spikes that go around this way, say. And they go all this way, but the ones on the fringe, I'll do those first. So they come down. This way. Spiking down over his face, right? It's kind of more than Kakashi normally has. I think it's kind of cool looking. So these go around and eventually connect to the other side. So right, just keep going, just adding them like so, and then there's like some textures kind of on the inside, so there's like some hair spikes that kind of come across the middle. Okay, so we can see the metal plate just coming across here as well. And then sort of the top of it kind of here. You might see some of those metal studs. And then the leaf sort of spiral in there somewhere. Like an edge line to that. Right, so the jacket, so he's got like 2 jackets on. So lots of collars and stuff. So the first one will go out this way, right? You might have like some fabric lines just kind of inside there. And then this has a zipper just on it here. And then we go sort of around the other side as well. And so it's got all these sort of folding lines. Like that. And then the zipper sort of curves down the middle. It's kind of bumpy, right, because of all the folds on the jacket. Just do these horizontal lines. Just coming down it. And then like lots of sort of folds and wrinkles and stuff. But he's got another jacket on top of this one. So, and it's kind of a big one. It's like, it looks like it has a hoodie on it. So it kind of comes that way, kind of high up. It starts up at his headband. And then this one kind of disappears in to there. And then some fold lines and wrinkles and stuff in the back. And so this has an edge. And then more zipper. So we go down this way. And then like there's an edge to this. So then the edge of that is like here. And this is just zipper lines. There's all these folds and stuff. And then there's like red string sort of coming out from the side. The hoodie, just like rope. And then wide shoulders, so it comes out, down, it's down this way. Like the inside, kind of like his armpit sort of area here. So all these wrinkles and folds, there's like some stitching or something coming across here. These are just details now in the jacket. All these folding lines. Here, and there's like a clip on the outside as well. Like that. Do, do, do. Right. Another urban ninja Kakashi. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.